kind of makes the craziest noises.
Yeah, I hear it. Zero.
Oh, Days. Is Zero horning in on your friend?
Let him pee, Zero.
What's up, Coco? Hi.
I'm not real crazy about the snow, are we, girl?
Yeah, it's chilly, isn't it? Oh, there's Days.
Yeah, I know. I smell like chicken. I know. I smell good. I'm your best friend today. Mahoney. Healthy moon. Easy. Zero. Look what's in your plate. Yes, you will.
I think Zero's got a crush.
I think so too. Ain't she pretty, Zero? She's a pretty girl.
He likes big blondes.
There's a pretty